Is your Chevy Malibu key fob not working? Most problems stem from simple issues, a dead battery or a desynchronized fob. Start by replacing the CR232 battery. Pop open the fob with a flathead screwdriver, swap the battery, and snap it shut. If that doesn't work, the fob likely needs to be relearned. For most 2014-2025 Malibus, insert the key into the ignition, turn to the on-run position without starting the engine, press the lock button on the fob, turn the ignition off, and repeat this process 3 to 4 times. Then, test the fob. These 2 steps solve most key fob malfunctions. Remember, cold weather and aftermarket fobs can worsen battery life. Avoid cheap knockoffs, as they can cause permanent issues. If battery replacement and relearning fail, the issue might be with your Malibu's body control module, BCM. A BCM reset can clear glitches. Disconnect the car's battery, negative terminal first, for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. For newer 2025 models, check if an over-the-air OTA update via the Chevy app can perform a soft reset. For persistent issues, a scan tool like an OBD2 scanner can clear specific error codes such as B1A00, indicating a fob mismatch. Important trends are moving towards digital keys and smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. Expect future Malibus to feature keyless systems with biometric integration. For complex BCM faults, always consult a professional to prevent warranty issues.